This is going to be a short and snappy video because sometimes people say, I want to know how big my website is. Like, I know if I go to my server, I can see how much space I'm taking, but how big is my actual website? Especially if you're thinking of migrating or using any other tools or services. It's really easy to find. The trouble is, though, the way WordPress built it and where they've hidden it, it does not make sense to me. However, it is really simple and easy to find. Okay, what you need to do is go over to tools and then go to site health. I know, why would it be in site health? It doesn't make sense, but I suppose it does to some people. When you're over here into site health, you then want to go over to info. So remember, tools, site health, info. And when you're in there, you want to go to directory and sizes. And when you scroll down, I can see here that my total size is 235 megabytes. And I know that's accurate because if I was to use all-in-one WP migration and hit export, it's going to actually come out with 240, but it is roughly the same value over there. But that's your size. So right now, how about you go and check it? And if you're getting anything like 10 gigabytes, you need to revisit your image media library and any other form submissions and PDFs and God knows what else you've got loaded on your website. While we're here, if you want to know about your memory limit, just go down to where it says server, scroll down, and you'll see what your server limitation, size, PHP, memory limit, all of that is at the moment. I hope that made sense. I'm Imran Web Squadron. I hope you like, subscribe, share, and follow. I'll see you soon.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag.